Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Messenger white for network on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here in this window and you just go down here, then you click here on apps and you come to apps window and you just go down here to looking for Messenger app here in this window and you can only search for it. So you find it, we click here on Messenger and you just go to next window here and you click here on force stop, then you click here on OK and you just go down, you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just turn off your phone and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your Messenger app. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish now you are get it. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.